Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I received a request from Deb Altman a couple of days ago asking if I can make enchiladas. I figured since I had all the ingredients, why not show you guys how to make quick and easy Enchiladas Verde. We'll show you guys how to make it in the GeekChef pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, the stovetop directions is included inside of this video. Please know you can find the ingredients you'll need for today's recipe under this video in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my uploads. Today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy chicken enchiladas verde. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the GeekChef electric pressure cooker, how to make it. And if you don't have the pressure cooker, you can make this on the stove. In the bottom of my pressure cooker here, I'm going to add my water. And then I'm going to add my chicken bouillon cube. If you want to use chicken stock or vegetable stock, you can do that as well. Just throw the chicken in there. Don't worry about the bouillon because they will dissolve, like I said. And now what I'm going to do is put my lid onto my pressure cooker. Then here on the top, I'm going to close it to the closed vent position. So now to turn on the pressure cooker, this is good for you all who are not familiar with how to use it. We're going to press the poultry button, and I'm going to press the time temp button here that's at the bottom. Press it one time, and then I'm going to change it to 18 minutes. And then I'm just going to let it go. It beeps and then clicks, and it's going to come up to pressure. Once it comes up to pressure, it will then cook. So allow it to pressure. It may take a few minutes, but afterwards you'll hear it beep, and then we're going to let all the steam out. So my chicken breasts are done, and I've opened it into the open vent position to let all the steam out. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove my chicken. Now what I'm going to do is shred the chicken, or you can cut it up using a knife. But I'm just going to shred the chicken using 2 forks. So here I have the chicken shredded up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my sour cream. And then after adding the sour cream, I'm going to add some red onion. You can use whatever type of onion you want to use. If you don't want to use onion, you don't have to. If you want to add some chilies or any type of peppers, you can add it to this. And then I have all my spices here. You'll find all that in the description box. Or if you don't want to use the spices, you can just use a pack of taco seasoning. And finally, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. This part is totally optional. Like, you know, this is how I make enchiladas. Everybody has their own way of doing things. So now I'm just going to mix everything until it's all combined. So I'll add one more thing, is some tomatoes. So the next step for our enchiladas is we're going to take our flour tortilla, and I'm going to just dip it into that chicken stock that we cooked our chicken in. If you decide to use a freshly baked chicken, you can just heat these up in a pan with some oil if you don't want to use chicken stock to dip your tortillas in. So we're going to just add some of that chicken filling in the middle, and then we're just going to roll it up. And then after rolling it up, we're going to place it into a casserole dish that I have here off to the side. So repeat this process. This is probably going to make about 8 enchiladas. So I got 8, a total of 8. I just squeezed them in there. So I have here some salsa verde. I'm just going to just kind of dab and spread it across the top of all my enchiladas here. I love salsa verde. This is going to be really good. So I have here some quesadilla. This is quesadilla Mexican melting cheese. the Mexican style melting cheese. So I'm just gonna spread that across the top of my enchiladas. And then after I sprinkle the cheese across the top of the enchiladas, they're gonna go in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. We just want to heat everything through and get the cheese nice and melty on top. So we'll show you guys how I garnish. So I'm just going to take some dried parsley, or you can use some cilantro. It's totally up to you. And I'm just going to sprinkle it across the top of my enchiladas. And I'm going to take some sour cream, and I'm going to go down the middle. I sort of like to sort of spread it a little bit. Chili powder, and just sort of sprinkle it right onto the sour cream. And then I have some red onion that I'm just going to sprinkle on top of the sour cream. I dice this red onion up. I'm going to add a few fresh cilantro leaves. So here's my enchiladas. You can serve this with refried beans or Spanish rice, or you can just have them by themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. I'm so excited to dig in. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my uploads. And also, if you are interested in baking, please stop by my baking channel, The Sugary Sweet. Check the description box and you can find the link to it. So guys, this looks absolutely amazing. The chicken inside is absolutely tender. So we don't have a fork, so let's have to wing it from here. So here it goes. Oh my God. Guys, this is phenomenal. Absolutely hearty, full of flavor. All the spices that we added for the cumin, the coriander. It's really, really, really sublime with this. So guys, please give this recipe a try. Shout out to Deb Altman, because you requested this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know. And also guys, please, please, please remember to love each other. We gotta come together. There's so much evil and so much hatred in this world. We got to love each other. So please, do everything you can to spread love. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel.
Let's go.